Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the power mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer for various applications. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by up in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select power options from the list. So go ahead and left click on that. So if we expand show additional plans, we should have all the plans listed here. So balanced, power saver, as well as high performance. So balance will do the balance between power consumption and performance. It'll be kind of like the middle ground. Power saver, it's going to optimize your battery usage and battery life over performance. The computer will still be usable, but it's just going to not be as responsive. And you also have the high performance plan, which favors performance but would use more energy and would drain your battery quicker. And that's pretty much it. If you have a laptop, if you click on the little battery icon, you should be able to click on that as well and drag a blue turquoise looking bar to the left or right to adjust either better battery life or better performance. But you can also go through the power options window up here and do similar settings. And you may also want to adjust the brightness of your monitor as well, and also consider adjusting when to turn off the display in sleep settings as well if you want to further optimize your battery when you're not actively using your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.